There's something magical about turning a small space into a sanctuary. Today, we're transforming a 380 square foot studio apartment into everything we've been dreaming about. This isn't just a makeover, it's about creating a home that feels like a warm hug every single time you walk through the door. When we first stepped into the studio, it had so much potential, but it felt cold, empty. The walls were a sterile white. The lighting was harsh and uninviting, and honestly, it didn't feel like home. It felt like a space that was just waiting for someone to care about it. But here's what I love about small apartments. They're blank canvases. Every single thing you choose to bring in matters. There's no room for unnecessary clutter or things that don't serve you. It forces you to be intentional. And that's when the magic happens. Before we started, we created a vision. We wanted warm. We wanted minimal. We wanted to walk in and feel like you're stepping into a cozy cafe or a Higgy-inspired haven. Think soft creams, warm beiges, natural wood tones, and that golden light you get right before sunset. We chose a neutral palette as our foundation. Warm whites, creams, and soft oak wood. Then we added accents of orange and soft brown to bring in nature and life. The goal? Make this tiny space feel spacious, peaceful, and like it cost way more than it actually did. The first thing we did was paint. Not because the white walls were bad, but because warm cream walls, they're a game changer. They reflect light beautifully, and they instantly make a small space feel more intimate and inviting. We chose a soft, warm cream. Nothing too yellow, nothing too pink, just that perfect neutral that looks different depending on the time of day. In the morning, it's almost white. By evening, when the golden light hits it, it becomes this beautiful, warm backdrop that makes everything look like it belongs in a luxury hotel. While the paint dried, we tackled something even more important: lighting. Here's something I learned. Harsh overhead lights are the enemy of cozy, the absolute enemy. So we removed that fluorescent fixture and replaced it with something better. We installed a warm brass ceiling fixture with warm-toned bulbs, but here's the secret: we rarely use it. Instead, we rely on layered lighting, soft lighting in the kitchen, and when evening comes, that's when the real magic happens. Next, we moved on to the kitchen, one of the most important parts of this tiny studio. It felt dark, outdated, and honestly a little overwhelming at first, but we knew it had so much potential. We decided to go for a warm, neutral beige palette to completely transform the space and bring in that cozy, minimal feeling. Slowly, the old cabinets and clutter started to disappear, and the kitchen began to feel lighter, calmer, and more intentional. We added soft tones, simple textures, and clean storage to keep everything looking organized but still warm and inviting. And once everything came together, this small kitchen completely changed its energy. It finally feels like part of the home. Let us show you a quick overview of the final result. The living room is where you spend most of your time. It should be cozy. So we started with the basics: an orange sofa, not white, but orange. It makes a difference. Orange creates a warm and cozy atmosphere from day one. We chose a compact design, something that wouldn't overwhelm the space, but at the same time would give us a comfortable place to curl up with a book or a cup of tea. Next, we added a round wooden coffee table. Round shapes feel softer than sharp corners. They're more inviting. This one is made of light oak wood, which brings warmth without taking up visual space. Then came the rug. A beige rug with a subtle texture defines the living space and makes it feel grounded. It creates this invisible boundary that says, this is the living area. In a small apartment, these little zones matter. Mounting the TV on the wall to save space and keep the layout clean and minimal. This instantly makes the living area feel more open and modern. Windows are everything in a small apartment. They're your connection to the outside world, and they're a huge part of how light moves through your space. We chose linen curtains because they filter light beautifully. They're not blackout curtains. We want to be connected to natural light, but they soften it. During the day, the light comes through warm and diffused. At night, you can close them for privacy, and they look absolutely beautiful. During golden hour, which is usually around 6 p.m., the light hitting these curtains is magic. The entire apartment glows. We add a simple TV stand underneath to balance the space and bring everything together. It helps ground the living area and adds a subtle, clean storage solution without making the room feel heavy. Then we start styling the coffee table with small, intentional details, a few books, a candle, and simple decor pieces that make the space feel warm but still minimal. Finally, we bring in a touch of life with a plant in the corner of the room. It instantly softens the space and adds that natural, cozy feeling we were looking for. Step by step, the room starts to feel less like an empty studio and more like a real home. Next, we hang a statement piece above the sofa, a warm, abstract painting in soft orange tones. It instantly adds character to the space and brings in a subtle pop of color that ties the whole room together. This one detail makes the living area feel more complete, cozy, and thoughtfully designed. To finish it off, we add a few soft cushions to the sofa. It's a simple touch, but it instantly makes the space feel warmer, more inviting. We bring the kitchen to life by adding a few warm accent pieces in soft orange tones. A matching kettle and toaster instantly break up the neutral beige palette and add a subtle pop of color without overwhelming the space. We made sure every detail feels intentional, so the accents still blend beautifully with the overall cozy aesthetic. Now the kitchen doesn't just look minimal, it feels warm, balanced, and perfectly connected to the rest of the apartment. On the side of the kitchen, we decided to create a small dining area to make the space feel more functional and complete. We added a compact dining table that fits perfectly into the layout without taking away any of the openness of the studio. It's simple, minimal, and still very practical for everyday use. To bring in a cohesive look, we chose soft orange chairs that match the accent tones we already used in the living room. This small detail helps tie both zones together and makes the entire space feel more connected. We also added a few decorative touches, a simple centerpiece, warm textures, and subtle styling that keeps everything looking clean but still inviting. Now this corner doesn't just feel like a dining area, it feels like a natural extension of the kitchen and living space where everything flows together in one warm, cozy home. And that's it. Our studio apartment with kitchen is fully complete. A small space now transformed into a warm, cozy, and perfectly balanced home. If you enjoyed this makeover, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Cozy Space Makeover for more cozy transformations like this. Now this corner doesn't just feel like a dining area, it feels like a natural extension of the kitchen and living space where everything flows together in one warm, cozy home.